said 시원하다 in the last video.
시원하다. I barely said it. I don't think I said it successfully.
Okay, how would you say it?
시원하다.
Okay.
시원하다.
But at that time, did you know what that meant?
Nope.
Okay. But now you know what it means?
Yeah.
So what does it mean?
It's a release. Relief, release. You were likening it to the release of heat or the cooling effect, but not necessarily contingent on heat energy specifically. Like it could be an abstraction.
Mm-hmm. So that's a good explanation. So 시원하다 verb, literally, it means to be cool. When you feel cool something. 바람이 시원해요. The wind is cool. Meaning literally the temperature wise, the wind is cool. But when you're drinking a hot spicy soup, Korean people tend to say 시원하다. So that is like exactly what you said. When you're releasing something, it's almost like cleansing what's inside your body. But 시원하다 can be used in other situations. When you go to sauna, going into a hot pool, Korean people say 물이 시원하다. The water in the tub is cool, even though the temperature, literal temperature is really hot, because it's loosening of your muscle. So like you said, releasing some tension. And also, when you're getting a massage, somebody asks you, 마사지 강도가 어때요? How do you like the strength of the massage? Then you may say, 시원해요.
시원해요.
Yeah, it's good. Means it's good. It's a good strength. 시원해요. So when you give me a massage, if I say 시원하다, okay, so we can try later.
Nice.
Tonight?
You're just trying to get a free massage. All right, you got it.
And there is another situation you can use 시원하다. This is the last situation. Let's say there is somebody, there is a friend who has a grudge towards you. The person cannot say anything straightforward. So their emotion is all stacked up inside their mind. But one day, he got really mad at you, and then he said everything possible coming out of his mind. He let it all out. And he could say, 속이 시원하다.
속이 시원하다.
속 is inside. E, subject particle, 시원하다. Oh, I let it all out.
Nice. Can it also be a sexual release? Do people say that?
Sexual release?
Yeah, like after they finish. Maybe
I
keep
don't
that.
watch porn, and I'm not a man, so I don't.
Ha!
I thought that women don't like men.
Yeah, but women read all those romance novels with descriptive.
Also, why reading romance books? Romantic books?
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh. No.
Sorry, I wanted to ask also, how about feeling relieved to be in nature?
So you go into nature. 시원하다. I guess that is more like the temperature with or the air is cool.
Maybe it's literally because of the, well, not in every case, but in that case, the cool effect of the air.
Yeah, I think so. So other than that, if we summarize what we just studied, so other than the literal temperature is being cool, you can use the first, when you're drinking hot spicy soup, cleansing inside your body, 시원하다. Second one, when you're going into a hot sauna or getting a massage, releasing tension, you can also say 시원하다. the third one, when somebody let it all out their emotion, then you can say 시원하다.
If you like the damn video, like the damn video. Shout out to Omer Isov.